Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to wish you a very warm welcome to Edinburgh Airport. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you have all items of personal hand luggage, checking your seat pockets, the overhead lockers, and also the areas around your seat. Please do take care when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved in flight. Your mobile phones and portable electronic devices, please ensure kept in the flight safe mode until the aircraft doors have been opened on stand. Once again, thank you for complying with the no smoking policy, and a reminder to all passengers that in accordance with UK law, smoking is not permitted within any public buildings. Please do take care when disembarking via the aircraft steps. You may find they are just slightly narrower and steeper than what you're used to, so please do make full use of the handrails provided and hold any hand luggage securely. Once again, on behalf of Captain Steele and the crew, we do hope you enjoyed your flight with us here today at Flybe, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Please do have a very safe and pleasant onward journey from the airport this evening, and we do hope you have a lovely night. Thank you again.